So, yeah. So, once again, good evening, everyone. So, I'm the GDSC lead at Anurag University. So, this year, the solution challenge starts from today. The registrations and all starts from the 11th January 2023. And we have a starting kickoff event on 18th January, which is an international thing. I'm not conducting that. It is being done by Google itself, the main Google team, where I guess even Sundar Pichai will address the gathering. So it's an online event only. So yeah. So let's go. So in this session, I'm going to cover the overview of what is the solution challenge, why you need to participate, then the timeline about the kickoff event, the prizes, amazing prizes you're going to win, then judging criteria, then the checklist, like what are the things you need to make sure are done while participating in the solution challenge. So then your normal FAQs, then some videos of previous years and the like 2022 and 2021 solution challenge, few tutorial videos and all those stuff. Those I'm not going to play. Like I'll share this PPT with all the community members. So for now, I'm going to make you guys, go through this. So let's start. So you guys agree, right? Like the hardest part is getting started. Like once, we guys procrastinate the things a lot, but once we start, we get more interest into it. So and we do we build the projects, not only projects, many other solutions and all. So one second. Yeah. So, yeah. So, what is solution challenge is that Google Developer Student Club 2023 Solution Challenge. So, here we need to solve 17 United Nations problems. So, one second. Yeah. You can see here, uh, one second, guys. So you will notice that there are 17 problem here, right? So those 17 problem you need to solve. Like they are based on different categories and all. So there will be winner for each category separately. So maybe you guys can get, find some nice solution that can become, product in future. That also you can do. It's really helpful. And there are many students, or not only students, even companies benefited from this solution challenge. So yeah, let me talk about it. So it was started in, what do we say, 2015. So this solution challenge was there continuously from past 7 years, and there were many winners as well. I'm audible, right, Dinesh?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Okay. So is my voice clear?
Yeah, yeah, it's clear.
Okay, so for now I'm going to play a video here. It's these are all the topics, like all the 17 United Nations problems which you guys need to solve. Theme, like a themes. So was the video visible,
Yes, yes,
Dinesh?
it was audible. Exactly.
Audible also?
Yeah, yeah, it was audible.
Oh, great. So yeah, that's what the problems were to solve. And if we go to timelines, so our today the registration process and all starts. Then registration can be done anytime before submissions. Like the submissions open on 17th of March and they end on 31st. But you can register now. Like first you need to register as an individual. So soon they'll send a form where you can form a team and participate. So firstly, everyone, if you're participating as a team, everyone from the team has to fill the form individually. Later there'll be a form shared where you have to fill the team details. So don't worry of the team now, worry about the individually. So that's what I want to say. Then the January 18th is the solution challenge kickoff event. You can go to the website and search, you can go to the web and search the what solution challenge. You'll get even how to more information about this. Then you can make the products or project in between this January 11th and 31st of March, and submit it. Then they'll be announcing the top 100 on May 3rd. Then June 2nd there'll be something else where mentorship phase will be here. So mentors will be guiding for the top 100 teams. There will be a mentors allotted, so they'll be guiding them to add a few other things or making changes. So that can be done here. And then final again
Your
June.
screen got blank.
My screen how much? Where is it? I can see the screen, right?
Oh, but it is blank.
For others also, is it the same?
It is a black screen right now.
Or maybe you have to rejoin once. Try.
Yeah, yeah, I'll
It's
once.
fine. Everyone was saying. Uh, yeah. So yeah, so this thing, what we say, where was I? So yeah, final submission will be on June 2nd, after the mentorship phase. So then the top 10 teams will be announced. These all 3 months are called demo days. Like there'll be a demo day someday. So there you have to present in front of the whole, world. This is quite popular, demo days and all. So we have done this. So yeah. So solution challenge kickoff event is this. If you guys are interested, I'll share the link in the chat. I'm sharing it. You can join there. Uh, it's international event. I have shared the link in the chat. If you guys are interested, you can join. So yeah, though it happens on Wednesday, January 18th. Today is January 11th. So we have 7 more days left for the kickoff event. Then one second. Yeah, so coming to the prizes, let me start the slideshow. So it's small for me. Let me increase the size. I don't know why this size is not increasing. One second, guys. I'm trying to increase the font size. I myself can't see it. So yeah, so the top 10 teams will receive mentorship from Googlers and experts to take solution to the next level, and a branded T-shirt and a certificate. This certificate is, if you are in a top 100 teams worldwide, it's like so much. You're top like it's like unbelievable. It's like the best feeling you'll get when you're in top 100. So don't talk about top 10. It's like mostly it's if you achieve this then you're something next level. And these are the things like for if you're in top 10 finalists you'll receive respect or additional mentorship. This is this normal level. This is just more like more mentorship, something like that. More extra, what we could say. I'm not getting the word. So swag box, opportunity to showcase your solution to Googlers and developers around the world on demo live day on YouTube. So this will be for top 10, and contest finalist will be getting, finalist means these people like top 10 will be getting each team $4,000. That's around 4,000. If you make it 80, you're like 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs per each team they'll be getting, and the top three winners will be getting, around 10 lakhs. $12,000 is something around 10 lakh Indian rupees. So that's the prizes, so you can imagine how, big the competition is. So there are different, judging criteria. So I'll share the PPTs. You guys can go through them. I'll say a few things like, here does the, there are few like, does the entry establish a clear challenge using the problem statement? So they'll judge on the how your problem statement, like your solution is answering to the problem statement. So for that you will be getting 5 points. So something like feedback from users, testing, like testing irritation, there are two different things like A and B. So for that 5 points, so there are different judging criteria. So once we share the PPTs, you guys can also go through them. Uh, yeah. So next we have submitting a solution. So firstly we need project setup. So implementation, feedback, testing, and iteration, success and completion of solutions, scalability, next step. So these are the points. That total 10 points from each different side heading. So you guys can go through them also. So basically, I'll make you guys register also. I'll share the form link, registration form link. So yeah. So then submitting a solution, creating a problem statement, a good problem statement. So you guys need to make your problem statement on your own. We have 17, like you guys have seen, right? 17. These are themes. On the themes, you guys have to find a problem statement or make your own problem statement, and present the solution. So this a good problem statement, how it is like a presents the opportunity of some sightful urgency and priority. So relates in the simplest terms possible. Yeah, it should be simplest and easily understandable. So something should not be more than one paragraph. See, these are like how to make a good problem statement like that. So then how to structure, we have who is experiencing the problem, what is the problem, when and where the problem is occurring, then why is the problem, why is it important to address. So these all points you need to cover in the problem statement. It should be one paragraph. So yeah, so getting started, what is this? Yeah, getting started means I have already, like we have the Google DSC chapter, like in our college, Anurag University. If you guys are able to join this meet, you are already part of the chapter. You can just search GDSC Anurag University. No, not Anurag University. GDSC Anurag Group of Institutions. Then you will find our chapter there. So our events and all what all happened, you can find there, and you can join as a community member. So that's useful. When we create events, you'll get a direct email to register for the event as soon as we create it. So then, yeah, from then now, this all is just, I guess, yeah. So then we have info sessions, hackathon. This is a info sessions. Then you guys can form a team December, January. So now it is January. So and select United Nations goals, like those 17 goals. You can select any one goal. It is recording, right? Yeah. Okay. One second. So yeah, 17. You can select one or multiple. You can work on two goals also. Like not only one. You cannot. No need to fix for one. You can develop a project which solves two goals. That also can be done. So yeah. So next, identify a solution. Learn and build. You will be provided resources, guys. I forgot to say. So when you join this solution challenge as a team or a individual, Once you register, you based on the solution you're trying to solve, you'll be getting resources on based on the technology with which you solve. Will be getting the what we say the tools like courses where you can prepare yourself, and like the front end development or back end technology things, those courses will be shared and you guys can do those courses. Those are actually paid ones, but once you are part of the solution challenge, you'll get them for free. So you can use these opportunities to do those courses also, directly from the Google itself. So then after you learn and build the project, then there'll be a test your solution phase in February, March. So where you can test your solution. Then iterate means if you are any issues or something, you can iterate that and make the corrections. So coming to the what we say submission, so you have to make a demo video and upload it into the YouTube, and there'll be a form shared on 31st March or something where you can upload those video there along with the other documents of the project. Then as I said, top 100 mentoring will be given, top 10 will be given, top 3 will be given. Then yeah, then lastly the event ends. So that's the thing. And FAQs, these are the common FAQs. Dinesh, is it audible, like visible my screen?
Yeah, yeah, it is visible.
So yeah, one second. Here I have a question from Vaishnavi. So how it will help for us? So yeah. So Vaishnavi, this helps you to gain experience. Like I have participated this in my previous year. I have done a project. I have even submitted it. But that doesn't mean that I, if I submit, there is a chance of winning. So can you provide a sample or old projects? Old projects, yeah, sure. There are videos here. Like one second, I'll show you. So, see, there are like different videos here below, like identifying a problem. These are the winners of the 2022 last year. So, if we go, should I play a video? Let's go and play a video. One second.
Hi everyone.
Too
I'm
small. Dinesh, is it audible? Dinesh,
Now it was audible when you played it.
what?
Now it is not audible.
No, not audible. Oh, now okay, I played it there itself, right? So I need to make this big. How to make it big? One second, guys. Oh, I'm not. It's taking me to other tab when I press that. That's why. So I'm looking at how to make it big. Or wait, I'll share that itself directly. So
Hi everyone. I'm so impressed by each of these demos, and now I am
one
thrilled
second,
to welcome Blood Call.
one second, guys. I'll share that screen directly.
This application aims to make blood
Is the
donation an
video visible?
easier and more effective task for everyone
Yeah, yeah, it
involved
is visible and audible.
in Android, Firebase, and the Google Maps SDK. Let's welcome the creators of the project, Georgios, Athanasios, Georgios, and Stephanos from Arcopia University of Athens in Greece.
In many parts around the world, demand for blood is high. However, most of the population who is able to donate doesn't. Bloodcall is an Android app that aims to change that. Our solution aims to better inform the general public about blood donations, but also help regular blood donors with access to organized information. Our application provides a list of all donation points filtered by their accepted donation type on a real-time map and displays all current emergencies in a way that is easy to understand and decode. Additionally, our app provides the user with real-time emergency notifications, as well as donation event notifications based on their location.
Hospitals can communicate with the users directly through the app by creating events and posting emergencies. Our app provides these functionalities in a hassle-free way, since it automatically handles event deletion, alert deletion, and blood compatibility calculation. Our application provides a way to reward the users for their goodwill by accumulating experience points by sharing events or by donating blood. To achieve that, each user has a unique QR code in his device, which the hospital can scan and award the user.
Blood Call aims to ease the mind of potential blood donors by providing them with a space they can communicate with fellow blood donors and healthcare professionals alike. The community aspect is furthermore expanded by the use of a ranking system, thus providing a healthy competition environment to commonly achieve a good cause.
All information on our application is stored with a combination of Firebase's real-time database and storage, and our notifications are handled using cloud messaging and cloud functions. These tools ensure that all the information is updated in real time and conveyed to the user as fast as possible, since in emergencies, every second counts.
So yeah, that's
Hi
pretty
everyone,
much the
I'm Armand
video.
Hajrani, and in
So
this
we
video,
have
we'll go
more
through the
like this.
workflow of building a hypothetical
Like this, you guys can just search like solution challenge winners videos. You'll get many. Like this is just the 2021, 2022 top 10 teams. So next we have 2021 top 10 teams. So yeah, you guys can check those on YouTube. They're open, and even here I'll be sharing the link so you guys can go through. You know, this is the first calling all like student developers video. And we have, they'll say overview and ideas for the 17 sustainable goals. Then we have a how to build a project walkthrough. So something like those things you guys can go through. So these are the technologies, Google technologies, right? Android, Flutter, Google Cloud Platform, and Firebase and TensorFlow. These are the main Google technologies. So this is what the winners, like this were the testimonials of the participants who have used Android, who have used Flutter to do their solution challenge projects. So and we have even Firebase. Firebase is nothing but database, but it's belongs to Google. So we have something like that. And TensorFlow is a toolkit for making ML models, machine learning models. So that can be this can be used for that. So yeah, any questions you have, you can keep in chat. I'll be answering them at the end. So before we proceed further, here we have few FAQs. So can my solution solve a problem outside of the scope of the 17 sustainable solutions? So for solution challenge, we require you to submitted solution to solve at least one or more. So we need to solve at least one of the 17 solutions. When you have submitted your solution, please review all the 17 SDGs means Sustainable Developer Goals. So that's what SDGs stand for. So to understand which SDG your solution is focused on, what SDG is something, yeah, SDG targets you are looking to solve for. So then, can one student or team submit with multiple projects if they have contributed to both projects? The terms and conditions says limit one per entry per person. Like only one student can submit if he's submitting individually. Once he submit, he cannot be part of any other team. Or if he is a part of a team, he can't submit his individual process. So you have to do as a team or individual, not both the ways. So I hope you guys get that. Then can I still participate in solution challenge if there is no Google Developer Student Club at my university? Yes, as a student, you can participate as a team up with at least one student at existing GDSC university. Like there is no need for you guys to participate with your college. You can participate with other college students. Why not from other country also? Not restricted, but one student in your team or someone should be a part of the GDSC, GDSC established university. So that one person, with that help of one person, you can even join the chapter. That's not a simple thing. I hope you guys know what is GDSC chapter. let me know in the chat if someone doesn't know what is GDSC chapter. So you need to be part of GDSC chapter so that the leads there can guide you. Like I'm the lead, right? So if you have any doubts related to this when you're participating, we can help you guys. So for something like that, you guys can join a chapter. In each chapter, let it be my college or our college or CBIT is there. We have Geetam, we have VJIT, we have JNTU Hyderabad. So there are many colleges, so each college has its own chapter. So that's what I want to say. Then giving the implications of social distancing, ability to test with users was connected with, will the judge consider just, our judge will surely mindful of the limitations that have been added due to the COVID-19. This includes but is not limited to ability to meet as a team, ability to have users test the solutions, lack of internet access or proper development environments due to the displacement from your college campus. So yeah, there are other things also like the FAQs. So here the link is there. So once I share the PPTs, you guys can go through this. So yeah, let's go further. Then these are the technologies I have done with this. Then the demo day. So this was like the video of the 2022 demo day, and this was the playlist means what all the things are done here. Yeah, this playlist contains all the these things like I've shown in the before thing, right? Yeah, this all videos, this playlist contains here. So here this playlist contains, and similarly we have 2021 solution challenge also. So yeah, so that pretty much sums up. But oh, I'm not presenting, huh? Someone could say no. Oh, no one. I'm sorry. So one second. I'll share again. Sorry. Like we need to make a edit. I'll answer the questions at the end. So my team member was not there. So sorry. So where was I? I was here, right? So we have done with the technologies. These are the Google technologies. So before these are the winners of the solution challenges. Then we have uh, tutorial videos and all the stuff. Then we have the 2021 winners. Then this is the 2022 demo day, like the main video, and this is the playlist means here it contains all the 10 videos, like these 10 videos in this playlist, YouTube playlist, right? So something, this is 2021 playlist. So yeah, so that pretty much sums up. So in this PPT there are links here, like when I share with you guys. So this is the FAQ page, like there are questions like, can you solve the problem? Were you guys listening the FAQ part? FAQ part, was it visible like when I was said before? Was the screen visible or it is visible now? So yeah, I'll go again to the FAQs. So FAQs is we have no, there was a question where can we go outside the 17 problems. So it is said that we need to have, is required to have at least one problem. You need to solve at least one of the 17 sustainable development goals. So you can meet the judging criteria. So that's an important point. And one more thing is, so if one student can one student or a team submit with multiple submissions? So no, one student cannot submit multiple projects. So what like if you submit your project individually, so then you cannot submit with a team which is also submitting some other project. So you can only one student, only one entry per person. You can see here, right? Limit is one entry per person. So that's what it said. And can I can I still participate in solution challenge if there is no Google Developer Student Club at my university? So apparently we have the Google Developer Student Club at our Anurag University. So thanks to our seniors. So if someone is not part of the thing, then he or she can join any university GDSC chapter and participate. That's not a big problem. So this helps, like the GDSC leads, if you contact the chapter GDSC leads, they might help you in solving their issues or something like that. Not technical issues like participation issues or something. So this those though they can help. And if you have any questions or something regarding solution challenge also, each lead is trained to help you guys. So that's pretty much it. So you can I'm sure you guys know what is a GDSC chapter. So you guys, if you are not aware, keep it that in the questions page, I'll explain. So this is the guidelines about the COVID-19 thing, and here there's a link, like more link, so that you guys can go and search. And yeah, pretty much it. So now, one second, I'll share something else. So is this tab visible? Is it tab visible? Uh, So Nagesh, so you can join our college, GDSC chapter. I'll share the link in the chat, GDSC Anurag group of institutions. So once you search GDSC Anurag group of institutions, that are club website, then you can join. There is something called join. I'll tell that also how to join. So I've kept the link in the chat. You guys can join. So let me do this. Like this is a form. One second. Is the form visible, guys? Yeah, it's visible. So here we have the, this basic information about the things like GDSC, university-based clubs, what is GDSC and all the stuff. Then solution challenge, what is solution challenge? So then we have registrations, and there are two forms to be filled. One is the registrations you're interested, the other submission form where your team will submit a project, including this is the submission form directly. Like when I open this, it will go, open a submission form only. So this submission form is not open now. Let me show you. So is it visible? So I'm not sure. I'm a student, Nagish. So here you can see that it will open on March 31st. See, not March 31st. It will open on March 17th through March 31st. So this is closed now at present. So there is no use of this. So one second. A screen is stopped. I know that. I remember. Where is my form? Yeah. So I'm going to fill the form. So are you guys interested to fill along with me? If you are interested, let me know. I'll share the form link. Okay, I see few, so I'll share the link. You guys can, one second. Who is Carmen's? Okay, I'll share the link so you guys can register for now. Individually, you need to register, not as a team. So this is a form for individual. Later, a team form will be shared as the solution challenge progresses further. This will be shared. So one second, guys. I've shared the link. Let me know if you are facing any problem in that. So yeah, let me explain. So we are in solution challenge. As I said, it's a annual contest which invites all the GDSC communities to develop solutions using one or more Google products or platforms. This year we are focused on, like every year it is focused, not only this year. So every year they focus on the United Nations 17 Sustainable Goals. So registration, there are two forms: solution challenge registration and submission. One the registration form that let us know you're interested in participating, then the other submission form where your team will submit a project including demo, video, GitHub links, and detailed responses to evaluate questions. So that will be opened on not Jan, March 17th. So, who is the registration form for? It is for any individual. Let it be you're working in a company. Let it be you're working some manager or you're a HOD of a college. It doesn't depend. You can participate. You are eligible to participate. All requirements. All you need to be interested, and you do not have a team formed yet to register. Like you do not have to form, yeah. So for registration you do not have to form a team. So you can register later. You can ask your friends or someone and who is interested. You can form a team. Like team can be not only in the same country. You can form a person who is in US or who is in UK. You can form a team from there also if you know any person in outside. So with them also you can participate. So not only in India, all around the world it can be done. So who should fill any, each individual should fill their form. So when to submit this form, it is between January 11th and March 17th. So this form should be filled between January 11th and March 17th only. So yeah, so before you fill this form, please ensure you read the all about the solution challenge, such as the timeline, prices. So here, if you click the link, it will be directing you to the solution challenge page, like the main website of the solution challenge. Then we have some agreements here. Then by completing, you agree to the Google to let you connect, store your information. Some agreement like data agreements and all. Then by completing them, you agree to your age above the majority or wait, you agree that you are above the age of majority in the country. Yeah, these all are not that important. Let's remove that. So I'm gonna fill this form. So this is my college email. I am filling with the same. So my full name I'm going to write. So here is my full name. You guys can do the same if you are interested. This is my last name. So I'm the GDSC lead. So I'll be selecting GDSC lead. So you guys are members. So member of the club. There is something called core member. Core member are my people who are host of this event, and even in our college when we do event, they are like organizing team and all. So they should select this, and you guys need to be selecting this to while filling the form. I'll be selecting this. So you need to be part of the GDC chapter. That's easy step that I'll be showing you. So you should not pick this because you're thinking to joining. Instead of that, you pick a member directly and join. So that's your University of GDC chapter. You are joining or having GDC, chapter in your college. So my university has a GDSC chapter, so I'm taking this. So if you are from a university where the GDSC club is not there, then you can select this option. So yeah, so which GDSC chapter you're part of? So here, based on the answer you have selected, like if I'm part of my university, I'll be selecting my university chapter. So if you are part not college, some college is there where you don't have GDSC chapter, then you can select the other college where you are part of. Like some person is from XYZ college and is joining Anurag University, like our college chapter. So he needs to select here, like Anurag University here. So there are many other things also, like all wide India wide and even worldwide GDC chapters from various colleges. So yeah, then here are the 17 United Nations goal. So firstly, they said like you can even select North Shore, which problem you are going to solve. You can select that, or if you are going, you can select for some thing like which you are interested to solve. You can select uh, just for knowing. It's not compulsory that you solve this. Like now you need to submit this when later when the demo days come, by that time you should be ready to answer that. I'm answering goal number 2 or goal number 8. So something like that, you guys need to be knowing which goal you're solving by that time. So I hope you get that. So if your team should consist of how many members, it doesn't matter. I guess members is not limited. Maybe I guess 5, but I'm not sure. We are not given any information about how many members should be in the team. So wait, I'll see if there are any questions. Can you, that's done. Can you provide a sample or old projects? That's done. Okay. How we will get free? What is that question? I didn't get you. Where can I get those videos? You can, search in YouTube directly. You'll get. So how many Indian teams have succeeded till now? Indian teams, yeah, there are many. Like we you need to do the research, right? Research should be done by individual. So I have no idea about how many Indian teams, but I heard there are won, few teams won. So like we need to make a problem statement. Yeah, you need to actually, search up for a problem statement, or you can make your own, like what goal. See, we have shown a video, right, before about the blood donation thing. So they made a problem statement on their own and they developed the project. So you can do that as well. So that clears the questions. We have no more questions. Let me continue the form. So here I've selected not sure yet. I hope you guys are following. And then we have the which technologies you are using. So maybe I'll use Android. It's better you can take all. That's not a problem. Google Cloud, Firebase, Flutter. We can go with TensorFlow, machine learning. We can this just further utilizing which Google technologies. These are all the Google technologies. Kaggle, you know what is Kaggle, where we get the data and all the stuff. So Kotlin is a language, like a programming language. And we have web and progressive web apps. So there are different things. Angular, you know what is Angular. So not necessary like you should select all. You can select whatever you need, which technologies you are most probably using. So for now, I'm taking this, but I'm not sure which I'll be using. So at this time, how confident are you in participating? Just like mention, just not medium, just be medium. Like very, if you're having clear idea of what project you have to make, then you can go forward. So describe the reason for your above answer. So you have to, this is optional, so no need to enter right now. So how important do you think the following resources are in the success of your project? Technical workshops on Google probabilities. Like they are extremely important. These Google workshops will be provided to you. So GDSC hosted events, like yeah, these are important. Then mentorship is important. Google hosted office hours. Office hours means Google employees will directly interacting you weekly or something, where you can address your problems. So something like that. So then we have program project planning workshops. So how to build a team, timeline planning, roles, responsibilities, how to divide you among yourself. So that's also highly important. So yeah, then provide additional feedback about the resources that would help you create a successful. This is also optional, so no need to fill it now. If you have anything, you can say. Otherwise, you can move forward. What's your primary motivation for following this plan? Make a difference in the community, learning about different, building a professional portfolio, prize recognition. So you can, select anything here. It's up to you. This doesn't interfere with the judging criteria. So I'll go with, building what can I say? I'll making a difference in my community. So something like that. So what's your technical expertise? I have, my level is applied theory. So let me go with intermediate, so practical applications and all. So you guys can also go with something. If you are a fresher, you can select new, or if you know something, you can go with beginner or intermediate, advanced, fully expert, like top graded people. Those are. So don't touch this. This is not easy. So agree, like these are the terms and conditions which they are, like every app has the terms and condition. Then would you like to GDSC programs? Yes. Emails, like further emails from GDSC program on the solution challenge? Yes, you have to click yes for the event links, registration links and all. So when I click next, yeah, that's it. That's the form. Once I submit it, I'm registers. Yeah, I've submitted. So I'm a part of this solution challenge now. So let me know who else is a part of this solution challenge. How can we learn those solution Google technologies, right? So I have a link. I'll share that. Wait, did I share that? One second, guys. So we can learn from anywhere. Like if you type in Google, like Google itself, right? So if you type in Google, I want to learn Flutter, it will give you resources where you can learn Flutter, like YouTube videos and all. Or once you register for the solution challenge, they will be providing few resources for you to learn. Can I know who all have submitted the form with me? Only Kunal I can see. So if you have filled along with me, let me know. Yeah, good, Varun. That's nice to know. So yeah, I hope you guys got to how to fill the form, and please let your friends also know with whom you are thinking to participate. Like you are thinking to form a team, right? I'm sure your friends are not here, so inform them also to fill the form, and I'll be sharing all the details in our GDSC Instagram page and even LinkedIn page. So uh, I hope that you guys understood what is this. So if you have any doubts of like GDC chapters, so I'll share that also. One second. So I'm sharing a new tab. So here, if I go and search GDSC under a group of institutions, you can see that there's this page of. So I'm already a member. See, I'm already a member since January 2016, like January 16th, last year. So I've joined this chapter last year. So I'm a member. So if I open this same thing in the incognito page, so I'll be not showing. It will be showing join the chapter. Once you click join the chapter, it will say like what we it says few information about yourself like name, email, all the details. It will ask that you can fill, and that's it. You can join the chapter. And this is the present event which is going on right now. Then we have the past events like the Flutterfest event, then the Cloud event, then the Android Compose Camp. So these are the different events which happened, and we have even our core team here. This was a partner in one of the Flutterfest event. This was the partner. Then we have the core team here. Then we have the event photos. This is the chapter page. So I hope that clears the answer for the chapter. What is chapter? Then once let me share what else questions do you guys have? Let me know once. If you have any questions, let me know immediately. Are you guys clear? So what techno how I have answered Abhiram. So the question I have a link. I don't know where I kept that, but it's a link where you can learn all the Google technologies. I can't find. I guess in the PPT itself it was there. So let me see once. So let me check. Until then, if you have any questions, you can let us know. So I'll find it and let you know. I don't know where exactly it is kept. Many technologies. Are there any questions coming in? How many members can form a team? Let me Google that as well. How many members can How many members can form a team in solution challenge? 4 members. 4 members maximum. 4 members can join. So that's what I've seen. Let me present this. Then you guys can see that also. So maximum 4 members can join. As you can see, submitted only by a team of a university or college students containing a maximum of 4 members, including the member that submits the entry. So including lead or some member. So it should be like 4 members in total. So if you have any questions, you can directly Google here. Like solution challenge is not a small thing; it's really a big thing. So if you go here and if I go to what I say, this one, so you can see this is the main, solution challenge page. You can RSVP for the 18th January event here as well. Directly here, you can register, and these are the other details. Like I said, no, the 17 sustainable goals. Then the other information like timelines. We have the timelines here, the step one, step two, and all the getting started things, all the information here. Then the 17 goals like no poverty, zero hunger. These are the 17 goals, 17 goals, and more information like examples also. Like you can see here, examples of the previous projects, like previous projects what they have developed here. Uh, so consider submitting to this category. See, there are like less projects on affordable and clean energy. So there are no projects. So they are saying if you submit, it will make a huge impact if you submit in this project, like in this area. So you can research. So here also we have responsible consumption and production. So this also is having a less, projects, so you can make an impact by developing a project in this area. So we have more even climate action in, we have life below water, so life on land. This also have less projects, so you can make an impact like that. Or they have not listed all the projects here, because I see there are more than five or six, so maybe they have not listed there. So yeah, if they mention to make, then you can. So the resources, like there are many resources. So how to run a design sprint, you can use many things here, like study board, success metrics, and signals. These, I don't know what are these things, but they're, yeah. So yeah, featuring content. Someone asked like, what are the tech where we can learn the Google technologies, right? This is the place. Like if you go to resources here, you can see you can learn Android directly here, free. Like when I click this, see, I have taken to Android basics with Kotlin. So I can directly go, earnable badges will be there here. See, you can see badges, right? So you can go directly click here, unit one pathway. So these courses you can complete and learn directly. It's free of cost. You'll get badges where you can showcase in your developer profiles and all. There will be Google developer profiles, which are highly useful when you join a Google company. You can showcase, I've done this many courses from Google developers. I know this technologies, that technology. So yeah, we have different units here for Android. So once I go and I'll show this tab. So here we have Firebase. Similarly, we have Flutter. So we have program neural networks using TensorFlow. TensorFlow is for machine learning neural networks. You'll understand when you proceed further if you don't know what is neural networks. Then build actions for Google Assistants. So assistants, Google Assistants, and all those you can build, modify data, cloud things here. Then we have web pathways, web things. You can explore here the courses. These are free of cost. You can do them at any pace. There is no timeline to do, so you can do them at any place, any pace. So form a team with other colleges. Yeah, you can sure form a team with any college student, but make sure it's a member of a GDSC chapter. It can be our college chapter or other college chapter. That doesn't matter, but he's a chapter member, and you can make a team of four members, maximum four members only can form a team. And yeah, we have any more questions? Guys, respond in chat if any questions. Abhiram, I have answered to your question. I know you have found, like, now you know the way, right? Let me know in chat if you understood how to solve that. Pretty much hope you're in the meeting. Yeah, you're there. So, any more questions, guys? Let me know in the chat. So this is a developer's page. So here you can explore, like I'll show you like demo day, also stuff, see demo day, like The other demo days also, like 2020 demo day video is also there here. 2021, 2022 is in the PPT. Then the winners, like previous winners, like all the top three. This was the top three. Then we have 2022 People's Choice Award. There is something called voting also. People's vote and get the winners also. They will also have some special prize. So this team from South Korea has won the People Choice Award. Then we have the top 10 global teams. We have seen the video of these people. So yeah, see, someone asks like from where India there is anyone. So this, fourth position get which India. This people from Nagpur have won the fourth prize. They are college students. See, they are not a working professionals also. They are college students. So these are, you can see, they are big universities, but ours is just an engineering college, and they have got the fourth prize. That's something amazing. So South Korea, then Canada, yeah, India. So last year that one top 50 also we can see. Top 50 teams. Here we have one more India team. So top 50 will be listed here. Here one more India. So yeah, Indians also won the prizes. So that's what I want to say. Then, yeah, more videos and all the stuff here you can explore. The FAQs, like frequently asked questions, also can be done here. Like what, like impact, what, judging criterias and all the stuff you can find here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys got that. Any more questions you have? Let's wind up. Are you guys interested to participate? Let me know, and I'll be sharing this link. Like, one second, I'll be sharing the link in the what do we say, Instagram page and all the stuff, and we'll. I hope you guys enjoy this solution challenge. This is called GDSC GSOC. Do we have a WhatsApp group? No, maybe you'll be added, but there is no WhatsApp group as of now. Every communication will be done through emails mostly. Uh, Keep an eye on emails. Maybe we can, create a college group for this solution challenge. I'll let you know once I talk with the faculty. Maybe specifically for solution challenge alone, we can create a group for college. If you're other college member, you can also join. That's not a problem. You can contact us. So we are active in our Instagram page. We are active on our LinkedIn page. So our LinkedIn is Google DSC Anurag University. Then our Instagram page is GDSC underscore AU. So you can find us there, or you can just email us as well with Google DSC @anurag.edu.in. I'll keep the email here. Google up. Those who are already Anurag University, don't worry. I'll be there in college. You can contact me. Uh, so for outsiders, I'm keeping this anurag.edu.in. So that's the email for our college club. So you guys can message or mail us anytime. I'll be active. So any more questions, let me know. So let me know how is your, enthusiasm to participate here in this event. Let me know in the chat, guys. Let's see who are more interested. Guys, are you there? Datri? Hello. 8 by 10. Wow. That's nice way to answer. I'm sure that will become 10 by 10 on January 18th when you meet the Google professionals directly. So, yeah, cool to know, guys. Keep the same interest in participating. Uh, you will, once you win something, if you go to top 100, it will become huge impact in your life. You can mention on your profile like GSOC top 100. it will create a impact on your resume. Like companies will be stand out from other people, like many other people, not only less. It will be like top 100, right? So infinity, wow, wow, okay, Ankit, nice. Good to know. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, you can mail us or go and message us in Instagram directly. Yeah, let's wind up. Thank you for joining. I know they're pretty less numbers, 13, but that's something I'll be uploading in YouTube and sharing. That's not a problem. Or again, for the university students, we'll be having the what we say campaigning again. So our university students can join there. So yeah, thanks for joining, guys. Have a great time. Bye.